Hi, I'm Johnny, and today I'm talking about the totally wicked Mavro. Now if you're after a high-powered vaping experience with precise adjustability, then stay tuned to find out more. The Mavro has adjustability, a quick charging battery, a discreet touchscreen, low resistance fixed coil pods, adjustable airflow and much more. But before we move on to these features, let's take a closer look at the design. The Mavro oozes class, with a solid metal surround which accentuates a textured inlay. This not only looks the part but also adds comfort in the hand. There are three colour options to choose from, which are gunmetal grey, silver tweed and rose gold pink. The technology within this kit is geared towards simplicity, while allowing for adjustability and a generous amount of power. It features smart mode, which means the battery will automatically detect pod resistance and set your power to the optimum level. Or if you prefer, you can adjust the power level by pressing the touch button 5 times. The wattage can then be changed within a range, which is determined by the resistance of the atomizer within the pod. This means the set power will always be appropriate for the pod which is fitted. The battery capacity is 1600 mAh and has USB-C quick charging, which means it will be back to full capacity in less than 1 hour. Your remaining battery, as well as your current wattage level and atomizer resistance, are displayed on the front screen. The airflow is adjustable using the sliding system on the side of the device, so you can tailor it to your preferences and to the pod which is fitted. There are 3 different pods available for the Mavro. Included with the kit is a 0.3 ohm version, which provides a true direct-to-lung experience and is suited to higher powers, resulting in larger clouds. If you prefer a more restricted experience and lower powers, the Mavro pods are also available in a 0.6 ohm resistance and a 0.8 ohm resistance. The atomizer within the pods are fixed, meaning there's no need for messy coil changes. Once it needs replacing, simply change the whole pod. The pods are filled at the bottom via a rubber bung and they fit firmly into the battery with a strong magnetic connection. So that's all you need to know about the totally wicked Mavro, an ergonomic powerhouse which simply exudes class. Pick up yours online or in your local Totally Wicked store, and remember to click that subscribe button to keep up to date with all the latest Totally Wicked products.